Hi, good day. M6367. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Mary Jane Salandro Gagnete, 40 years old, single mother. I have two children, 20 years old and 6 years old. I am Catholic Roman,
Okay, your highest educational attainment.
high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My work experience, sir, in abroad, in Saudi Arabia as a helper. I am taking care of two elderly employer, my father and mother, and also I take care 13 years old, a special child, and also an 8 years old child.
Okay, in all the household chores, you are the one who do?
Yes.
Okay, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
As a mother, sir, I already know how to take care of a newborn
Okay, so you
baby.
know how to prepare a milk of a baby, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will check the body temperature if he or she is sick, and I will check if the baby is sleepy or maybe the baby is hungry. And if the baby is still crying, I will call the parents' attention.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because the Hong Kong is the safest place and known as a high salary.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me to stay.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn by watching YouTube and reading the cookbooks.
Okay. And also, if you have a time or your employer have a time to prepare food for themselves, you could also help them how do they prepare so that you could learn, right? Or ask them if they could teach you how to prepare. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
No problem, sir.
It is okay to you to share job with other helper.
Yes, sir.
Taking care of elderly is okay with you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is what will be your message for your future employer?
For my future employer, if you hired me, I am willing to do my duties and the responsibilities as a domestic helper, and I will be obedient, loyal, and I will respect your family and obey your rules.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Mary Jane. Thank you.
Thank you.